Ask yourself this: do you really need a traditional two-wheeled motorcycle to enjoy the open road? For a long time, the answer was a simple yes. But over the last few years, the landscape of personal mobility has shifted. We're seeing a massive rise in three-wheeled touring scooters, machines that offer the wind-in-your-face freedom of a bike, but with a level of stability and practicality that traditional motorcycles struggle to match. One of the most refined entries in this growing category is the 2026 Peugeot Metropolis 400 GT. This isn't just a scooter with an extra wheel. It's a high-tech, premium touring machine designed for the modern commuter and the weekend explorer. It borrows its soul from Peugeot's long automotive history, bringing a level of luxury and confidence to the street that is hard to ignore. Is it a replacement for your touring bike? Or is it the smartest solution for riders who value comfort over outright speed? Today, we're doing a deep dive into the engine, the tech, and the three-wheeled magic of the Metropolis 400 GT. Let's find out if this is the machine you've been waiting for. First thing you'll notice about the Metropolis 400 GT is that it doesn't look like a typical scooter. In fact, it looks like it escaped from Peugeot's car design studio. Peugeot has given it an aggressive, sharp front end that immediately creates a presence on the road. You've got the signature LED fang lights and a grille design that mirrors their high-end SUVs. This bike looks substantial. It looks expensive. The GT version specifically adds premium finishes, think matte textures, sportier mirrors, and an overall upscale aesthetic that makes it feel more like a luxury tour than a basic city commuter. From the way the panels fit together to the quality of the switchgear, it's clear that Peugeot is targeting a rider who appreciates the finer details. For those who find traditional motorcycles a bit industrial, the Metropolis offers a polished, automotive alternative. Under the bodywork is Peugeot's 399cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder power motion engine. Now let's talk numbers. It produces approximately 36 horsepower and 38 newton-meters of torque. On paper, that might not sound like a world beater, but you have to understand the purpose of this machine. The Metropolis wasn't built to break land speed records. It was built for effortless, predictable performance. Acceleration is punchy enough to win the stoplight Grand Prix in the city, and it holds its own on the highway with a very relaxed cruising character. The beauty here is the continuously variable transmission, or CVT. There's no clutch to pull, no gears to shift. You just twist the throttle and go. For the urban commuter, or the rider who wants to focus on the scenery rather than the gear lever, this simplicity is a massive advantage. It's smooth, it's quiet, and it delivers power exactly when and where you need it for everyday riding. Confidence. That is the one word that describes why people choose a three-wheeler. The Metropolis uses a dual front-wheel tilting system. It's important to clarify that this bike still leans like a motorcycle. You still get that satisfying feeling of carving through a corner. However, having two contact patches at the front provides a level of reassurance that a two-wheeler simply cannot match. Think about those nervous moments on wet tram tracks, oily intersections, or loose gravel. On the Metropolis, the front end feels significantly more planted. And then there's Peugeot's tilt-lock system. As you slow down to a stop, you can lock the front wheels, allowing you to stay upright without putting your feet down. It sounds like a small detail, but in heavy stop-and-go traffic, it's a game-changer for rider fatigue. For newer riders or mature motorcyclists who want a machine that's easier to manage at a standstill, this system is a revelation. This is where the 400 GT truly justifies its name. The GT stands for Grand Tourer, and Peugeot has prioritized ergonomics above all else. The seating position is upright and neutral, with a wide, supportive saddle that is clearly designed for all-day comfort. The floorboards are spacious, allowing you to move your feet around to stay fresh on long rides. Wind protection is also top tier. The front fairing is broad, and the adjustable windshield does a fantastic job of pushing air over your helmet rather than into your chest. The suspension is tuned specifically for comfort. It's plush enough to soak up city potholes while remaining stable enough for highway speeds. For many mature riders who find the aggressive posture of modern bikes a bit taxing on the back and knees, the Metropolis feels like a favorite armchair that just happens to do 90 miles per hour. Peugeot has packed the 2026 model with a high-tech features list. The cockpit features a digital instrument display that is high contrast and easy to read, providing all your trip data and fuel stats at a glance. Keyless ignition is standard, meaning you just keep the fob in your pocket and hit the start button. You also get smartphone connectivity, allowing you to manage navigation and calls through the dashboard. Safety-wise, it's a fortress. You have full LED lighting that provides incredible visibility at night, along with traction control and a very sophisticated ABS system linked to all 3 discs. And then there's the storage. One of the biggest pain points of traditional bikes is where to put your gear. The Metropolis features a generous underseat compartment and a rear trunk that can easily swallow your daily essentials or enough gear for a weekend getaway. It's this blend of car-like practicality and bike-like freedom that makes the Metropolis such a compelling package. For those who want the hard data, let's run through the specs. The 2026 Peugeot Metropolis 400 GT is powered by that 399cc PowerMotion single, putting out 36 HP and 38 Newton-meters of torque. The fuel tank holds 13.5 liters, which, thanks to the engine's efficiency, offers an impressive range. It weighs in at approximately 280 kilograms ready to ride. While that sounds heavy, the weight is kept very low, making it feel stable rather than cumbersome. The suspension uses that unique dual-independent tilting system at the front and twin shocks at the back. You have triple disc brakes, full LED lighting, and a suite of electronics including keyless start and traction control. It's a complete, premium package that leaves very few boxes unchecked. So who is the Peugeot Metropolis 400 GT for? It's for the professional who needs a stylish, weather-protected commuter. It's for the mature rider who still wants to explore but is tired of the physical demands of a heavy motorcycle. And it's for anyone who values confidence and practicality above all else. The pros? Incredible stability, premium automotive design, and a very comfortable ride. The cons? It's heavier than a standard scooter and doesn't offer the raw thrills of a sport bike. But as a refined, sophisticated way to navigate the 21st century, it's one of the smartest solutions on the market. Peugeot isn't just selling a scooter, they're selling a better way to travel. What do you think? Does the 3-wheel design make sense for your lifestyle? Or are you staying on 2 wheels? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.